We're going back to school today. Are you going back to school today, tomorrow, somewhere this week? And looking at your Google Drive and thinking, I've got to do something about my organizational system. If you're like me, you have a lot of documents that are not in folders. And you also have a lot of folders and subfolders, and this opens up and it's really hard to go finding things. So today I just want to model a couple of the things that I'm doing for myself to try to get organized. The first thing that I did was I nested anything I could nest. Anything from previous years is in a folder that says archive, previous years, other, don't need this anymore. I don't want to get rid of it, but I might need it, so I'm going to keep it, but I want to keep it out of my way. The next thing I did was I took everything that went with the same class and I color coded it. So I have 3 sections of senior English, different class periods. I got them all the same color. I also took the textbook and everything that I've developed that goes with that class, which is what this is. That's the name of the publisher, and here's every chapter and everything I did. I made it that same color. And even that wasn't enough because of all these other colors. I want them to all show up together up here as they get alphabetized. So the next thing that I'm thinking I'm going to do is go in and put in the same emoji that goes with each one of these. And to do that, I use a site called Emojipedia. I'm sure there are others out there. I know there are emoji keyboards and other places to copy and paste. This is the one that I found and the one that I can remember and go back to. I searched graduation cap. I found this one. I clicked copy and go back to my drive. And when I right click on this, I can get to rename. I already got to change color and tried to make sure I was picking the same color. Next, I'm going to go to rename and I'm going to get to the beginning of this. And with Control V, I'm going to paste that graduation cap in here. And suddenly I have everything for that class all together up here at the top and chunked. Everything that goes with the first week of school and anything that I've redeveloped from last year with new dates and some specific information is in here in this folder that's got a calendar next to it, so it'll show up. Anything that goes here with the yearbook is in this. Now, this color doesn't work because here's all of my yearbook stuff, publication resources, and the class, and probably something else. I want to be sure and get that to be the right color so that it's that same purple that I seem to be using. Yeah, those look right. But now this doesn't work. So I need to go in and change this. Maybe I'll make it red. It looks like it goes with that icon that I used. Training classrooms are green because these were all the Google Classrooms I set up. Here's yearbook that's purple, like the other yearbook stuff. Creative writing and creative writing are the same color. I could go in and give those the same kind of emoji, and so on and so forth. Maybe I'll put in a pencil. If I could spell pencil. No results found. Anytime you have a student that says, I didn't get what you got, check their spelling. I learned that the hard way, thinking something didn't work. It's not that it didn't work, it's that the kid couldn't type. Here, I like this writing hand. Even though we're going to do most of it on a computer, still gets the point across. And I can put that both of these places. So here's what I'm doing to try to keep myself sane. I hope that helps. And as you start either color coding or using different symbols or capitalizing or putting numbers with things, whatever it is that you need to do, there are ways to keep your information together and to get everything organized for you, and ways that we can model that with our students because they can rename the folders and put in things and own that information and be able to find it again. So this is me getting organized. Happy fall of 2020. I hope this helps you get organized as well.